Struggling with complex e-commerce processes and finance tracking? Meet Artoh, the revolutionary new banking platform giving e-commerce companies unparalleled visibility and control of their money. Designed exclusively for e-commerce businesses, Artoh's cutting-edge technology integrates directly with all major bank accounts, payment processors, and accounting software, supporting commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Walmart, and more, giving you everything you need to manage your cash more efficiently and close the books faster than ever. Scale your online ad campaigns with unlimited virtual cards, access your payouts instantly with a click of a button, and experience supreme cash flow visibility using one clean, easy-to-use interface. No more spreadsheets, no more headaches. Nice. Artoh even streamlines performance tracking across ad channels like Facebook, Google, and TikTok with robust real-time insights, helping you to maximize your impact. So what are you waiting for? Visit artoh.com today to centralize your finances and manage better.